Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix error 2 the system cannot find the file specified in Windows 11, 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H-key local machine, click and expand current control set, click and expand services, click WUAU serve. Open image path, copy text from description and paste it. Type services in Windows search bar. Click Services. Open Windows Update Service, change Startup Service to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, see you next video.